Hey guys, quick video going over how you can forward text messages on your Android phone. So what you want to do is launch your Messages application. And in this example, I'm using Google Messages as my text messaging app, and that's going to be a pretty common messaging app that people are going to be using on their Android devices. But what you want to do is open up the conversation for whatever text message that you want to forward, then find the text message that you would like to forward. So for me, it's going to be this message right here that says, "This is an example text to show you how to forward a text message on your Android phone." So what I'm going to do is hold my finger down on this particular text message for a handful of seconds, and that'll pop up this menu, which shows that you can react to it with emojis, but we're not looking to react, we're looking to forward. So to do the forward option, we're going to open up our menu here in the upper right hand corner, these three vertical dots. We're going to click on that. That's going to open up this menu where we want to click on where it says forward. Now you need to select the recipients of this text message that you're going to be forwarding. So it'll show you recent conversations. You can forward it to one of those recent conversations that you're having. Otherwise, you can search for your recipients in this area at the top, or you can scroll down. And as you scroll down, it'll show all of your contacts in alphabetical order that you can select through here. So I'm going to select this person right here at the top. And once you have your recipients selected, you can click next at the bottom. And then the text that you're forwarding should be pasted in the conversation area right here. And at this point, all you have to do is click on the arrow to send the text message and forward it to the recipients that you had selected. And we can see that this example text message that I'm forwarding is successfully sent to the recipient. So I hope this quick tutorial is helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how to forward text messages through an Android smartphone. And in this example, I did it through the Google Messages application. I hope it was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more content in the future.